So today I am going to unbox another uh, textbook, a very rigorous textbook on algebra. So let's unpack it first. So this is Field Theory from Stephen Roman, graduate text in mathematics from Springer. So let's have a look at the index of this textbook. This is very rigorous textbook on field theory, and almost in every universities in US or UK uh, means use this textbook as in undergraduate course as well as in graduate also. So in index we have preliminaries in which we have a basic introduction to lattices, groups, rings, Euclidean domains, tensor product, etc. And after that, the author is Stephen Roman. He is very famous writer and he is very famous mathematician also. And after that, he came directly to field extension. Basically, that is the first topic of the field theory: embedding and separability, algebraic independence. And after that, it is a Galois theory. So in Galois theory, we have some historical perspective, and the theory means some introduction to theory, and then the Galois group of a polynomial, the field extension as a vector space, finite fields, basic properties, some additional properties, the roots of unities, cyclic extensions, solvable extensions, and after that in part third we have the theory of binomials, in which we have binomials, families of binomials, and Mobius inversion. So if I say about this book is very interesting because I read this textbook before from PDF, and first chapter is read by me. I had read little bit about field extension also, not much, but I had purchased this textbook for to study field more about field extension and to learn Galois theory only. I know means some people will say that dumb it and foot is enough. Yeah, they are. It is true that dumb it and foot is enough for learning field, but this textbook is somewhat the more rigorous if you are going to specialize yourself in a field theory. So this is a means graduate level textbook, as it comes under the Springer graduate text in mathematics. So yeah, you can go for this book if you want to learn more about field theory. The explanation is very interesting. I can't say about every chapter, but up to those chapters which I had read, the explanation is very fine and very interesting. Means very liquid. Everything is written in very straight way. Nothing to be means any complex language is used in this textbook. So from my side, I will definitely recommend you to purchase this textbook if you are specializing, if you want to know more about fields. Although you can proceed to dumb it and foot abstract algebra only, that is also more than enough only. But if you are learning more about field theory, then you can go with Eisenstein criteria. So that is very interesting thing. So in the first chapter we have a basic theory of a group rings and some polynomials, etc. So in first chapter you will feel like you are studying a basic algebra like group theory and ring theory. After that they had started field extension and Galois theory. So next video will come when I will read something about field extension about from this textbook. Till then, thank you.